Hey folks, Timothy Thomas here. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Premier Marketing Academy, and I am super excited to bring you a quick video. Hey guys, before we get started, smash the like button, hit that like button, and the notification bell. So when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. And folks, again, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Are you subscribed? Hit that subscriber button. I would really appreciate it. Hey folks, the Premier Marketing Academy, it is incredible. Great things are happening, and we're going to go over the membership levels. I've been in this thing for several months, could not be more excited about it, and it is an opportunity unlike you've ever seen in your life. Hey folks, I want you to take a look here at a couple videos that I've done earlier in the past talking about this program, and the possibilities. If you want to learn how to be a professional affiliate marketer, or if you want to market your business, if you're on LinkedIn, Facebook, Snapchat, whatever you're on, and even people can use the information that you can learn from here for TikTok, or whatever your favorite streaming video channel is. I am super excited. You can advertise any business that you got. So I did some videos 2, 3, 4 months ago. Here they go. And that right there shows the income that came in for that week. Here's for this week. And I'm not the only one having success in the program. In this video, we're going to talk about the benefits of the program. We're going to talk about the products, the service, the value. And when you see product, service, and value, then you partner. And again, I could not be more excited. It is one of the best programs that we have today, bar none. We're going to go through the membership levels, talk about the value, talk about what you can get, and we'll go from there. I would encourage you, after getting this information, to make an informed decision to move forward. I would do it absolutely today. Get a hold of me. Information will be below the video, and you can make an informed decision. Now, with the Premier Marketing Academy, here are the membership levels. We started with the $100, $200, $300, and the $500 level. Of course, when you join a higher level, you're going to automatically get the lesser levels for free. And that right there, my friends, is absolutely exciting. We're going to go through the products and benefits. So grab a quiet place. Give me about 10 minutes, and I'll share with you in this video. Okay, every level of participation has different value in each one of them. Of course, folks, when you decide how you want to get paid, like if you make a sale, you decide how the people that join with you as the what payment method that you will accept. You can accept payments through your favorite processor, check, money order, however you want to get paid. And what you do, you mark the member paid, and then you let admin know that you got a new member that has joined, and we go from there. Of course, here's the small admin fee with each level. But again, this is one of the best training programs that I've ever seen. And let's go through some of the benefits that you're going to get with this program, and let's see if you see value. Before we do that, folks, we're going to look at the affiliate program here real quick. And then I want to also take a look at some of the testimonials that are available with this program. Let's go back over here. There are some testimonials about, and let me go. Oh, yeah, they're on the main page. Our testimonials are at the bottom. We'll go from here. All right. Here are our testimonials. We're going to go through maybe one or two in just a moment. But let's look at the benefits of the program. All right. Let's say if you wanted to join. Let's look at the levels. Okay. I want to jump directly into gold and platinum. This is where most of my sales are coming in. Actually, most of the people that are joining me are joining at platinum. Of course, you join at whatever level you feel comfortable with. But of course, again, when you join a higher level, you're going to automatically get the lesser levels free. So at the platinum level, you're talking about you're going to get affiliate tools, replicated site, capture pages. You're going to get sales pages, built-in autoresponder that's going to follow up with your people that opt into your page. and they will continue to follow up. You're going to get a marketing tracking system, genealogy tree. You know who joins with you. Email broadcast system. You can broadcast to these leads several times a week, and you're building a list. That's very exciting. We've got banner ads, we've got email ads, and here are our training courses. We have a robust, this is the product, folks, in the back office. Another video I'll talk about the back office and the benefits of the back office. It is so much information. If you want to learn how to be a master marketer, if you want to learn how to grow your business exponentially on steroids, whatever business you got, if you got a whatever it is, if you want to know how to market effectively, Premier Marketing Academy can teach you, and you can get paid while you learn. Google AdSense, Facebook traffic strategies, Facebook Marketing Unleashed, smartphone advertising, social media marketing, the Traffic Beast, Marketing Mastery Mindset, sales funnel optimization, video marketing. You're going to get Zoom training call. Folks, I'm telling you what, whatever your business is, if you want to learn how to get it out to the masses, Premier Marketing Academy is something you need to take a strong look at. You get VPI support, top affiliate compensation plan. Folks, look at the software that's built into the system. You're going to get affiliate funnel builder, auto blog feed. You're going to get a video squeeze page converter. You're going to get a testimonial tool. And it goes on and on and on and on. I mean, so many benefits in this program. Now, again, those are the levels of participation. You can join at the bronze for the 100 plus admin fee, silver 200 plus admin fee, the gold 300 plus admin fee, platinum 500 plus the admin fee. Let's go over here, and I want to go back to the homepage. Let's listen to a couple of the testimonials about the Premier Marketing Academy. Sorry about that, guys. Let's hit the homepage. See if I can get you back over here. Invest in yourself or proven internet marketing training. This is internet marketing training, folks. You can explode your income with this program. Income disclaimer, folks, nothing happens in life until we step out and take action. Work from anywhere. This is your passion. This is your legacy, and you are in charge of your destiny. Absolutely powerful information. Folks, with the Premier Marketing Academy, you can end the cycle of failure once and for all. And the key in all this success, folks, is having the right guidance. What I want you to do when you get an opportunity, I want you to go down, watch this video. This video is life-changing. It can literally change your future. Each day begins a new beginning. Are you inspired today? Are you full of passion? This is an excellent way that you can fulfill your dreams, your passions. And look at the strategies that we have. Sales funnel optimization, Facebook traffic strategies, social media marketing training, video domination, signature series training, and it goes on and on and on. I want you to take a look at a couple of these testimonials. Pause the video when you get a chance. I am going to absolutely, y'all know I get excited. I'm going to put below this video a presentation that was done by the owner of the program. I want you to take a look at it, folks. It's life-changing. Absolutely life-changing. Let's go back over here. Y'all know this young man right here. Looks like Timothy Thomas. Let's listen to what he's got to say. Hi, folks. Tim here. It is my honor to give a testimonial for the Premier Marketing Academy. I've been online for over 5 years now, and I've seen a lot. And when it comes to online training, I can honestly say that the Premier Marketing Academy is by far the best internet marketing training platform that I've ever come across. The training is top-notch, and the support is amazing. If you've been trying to make money online, but have been met with little or no success, I would urge you to seriously consider becoming a member of the Premier Marketing Academy. You will learn the skills that you need to succeed online. And you can earn while you learn through the PMA affiliate program. You will have access to all the affiliate tools that you need, including a great marketing system. So whether you're a seasoned veteran or a newbie, just get started. I truly believe that you found a home with the Premier Marketing Academy. So check out all the information on the website and make a decision. I am confident that you're going to love the Premier Marketing Academy as much as I do. So take care, and I will hope to see you on the inside. Folks, that was absolutely powerful. Let's run over here. Mary Beth has a 1 minute testimonial. Let's just listen to Mary Beth. She is 1 minute long. Hang tight. This is powerful, folks, so listen to what Mary Beth has to say about the Premier Marketing Academy. After that, folks, we're going to close the video out. Hope you can make an informed decision. Get started today, folks. It is awesome.
Hi there. My name's Mary Beth with Premier Marketing Academy, and I'm excited to share with you my testimonial for this amazing marketing, training, and educational system that provides its members with top-notch support. What I like most about Premier Marketing Academy are the live member training sessions, the complete marketing system, affiliate tools, and fast support. Premier Marketing Academy will give you everything that you need for success online. It's the perfect system if you're looking for an ethical and profitable business. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.
Well, folks, there you go. If you have any questions, my information will be below the video. Reach out to me, and let's get you started today. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.